Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus today for the 2020 Volkswagen Polo, stock number 6329. This ran from the 9th 2017 to the current shape. It has a CXZL 1 litre turbo petrol engine backed by 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a CXZL 1 litre turbo petrol engine. Left front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, interior mirror, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,